going to discuss today welfare definition. Yes, welfare definition it was given by Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall welfare definition. Alfred Marshall in his main important famous book Principles of Economics. Principles of Economics it was published in which year 1890 and he just defined Alfred Marshall he just defined the book and he just defined the term economics as political economy and very important thing and we have to understand then only you have to read which one. Alfred Marshall wealth definition. What is the main important definition is economics is the study of mankind, the ordinary business of life. It examines the part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requisites of well-being. It is a very important definition. Part we carry 2 marks they will ask. Very important thing. Economics is the study of mankind, the ordinary business of life. In a normal day-to-day life, economics is a very important thing. That is the meaning. Okay. It examines the part of individual and social action which is most closely. So social action is undertaken now. Each and every individual they are having the close relationship. And with the attainment, why it is very important? In order to attain, in order to achieve the goal, what is the thing means? With the use of material requisites of well-being. Each and every individual, they are having their own wants. In order to satisfy this one, the economics is subject takes place. It is urgent. That is the main important viewpoint given by Alfred Marshall welfare definition. Clear? Is it clear? And Alfred Marshall, he just concentrate on 2 important things. What are the 2 important things means? First one, he just give importance one side wealth and another side he just take into account welfare. Clear? Study of man and another important thing wealth and each and everything it will be taken into account by Alfred Marshall. The important features of Marshall definition. What are the main important features, characteristic features of Alfred Marshall definition means? First one, man promotes primarily welfare and not wealth. So each welfare definition it was given by Alfred Marshall. He just concentrate only on that is the social benefit. Economic welfare activities. You people know very well. Economic welfare activities undertaken by the government is education, health, sanitation, drinking water, each and everything. So he just give importance only for welfare and he just completely ignore the wealth of individual. Clear? Second important thing. Another important thing, desire to get maximum monetary benefit. Entire economic welfare activities only he just concentrate. Monetary benefit means money related economic welfare activities undertaken in the economy and he just concentrate only on these things. And another one, economic is a social science. Social science means we just concentrate on each and every activities undertaken in the economy. So he just give the importance not for individual but for the society. So only he can consider economic as a social science. These are the 4 important characteristics features of welfare definition given by Alfred Marshall. And what are the main important criticism? Each and everything we are having criticism, no. So what is the main important criticism means? He just give only importance to welfare and he just ignore wealth activities. Wealth is also very important. We are not at all each and every time concentrate on the entire society. Each and every family also we have to concentrate. So in that viewpoint, his Alfred Marshall welfare definition is first vehemently criticized. Clear? Second important thing, Marshall ignored the amount of money and he just concentrate only on economic welfare activities. Money is also very important in order to safeguard our future life, each and everything, our family and son and daughter we have to take over each and everything. So he just ignored the wealth and he concentrate only on welfare. So it is considered as vehemently criticized. Which one? Alfred Marshall welfare definition. And third important thing, Marshall definition is based on the concept of welfare only. Welfare varies. Welfare means it is nothing but below poverty line to the welfare activities it reach more. And for the middle income group people it will reach somewhat. But for higher income group people the economic welfare activities undertaken by government it is very less. Clear? So they are not giving importance for that one. So here the tax is collected from the higher income people and it will be undertaken as economic welfare activities for the poor people and middle income group people. So for the rich person it is not applicable. So what will happen? The welfare is a main important concept. It varies from one person to another person and from one country to another country and from one time to another time also. So these are all the main important ways Alfred Marshall welfare definition is also criticized. Clear? And another last important thing. Welfare means happiness or comfortable living conditions, individual or group of people, social and cultural activities of the nation. So it is also vary from one person to another person and one way of living to another way of living. And here the taste and customs and tradition, belief, each and everything varies from one person to another person. So here entire happiness means it gives only wealth and not the welfare activities. So in this viewpoint also, Alfred Marshall welfare definition, it is also vehemently criticized. Clear?